Hey everybody, Dangerous Doug Harper with you here on Lunch with Doug. Today's episode of Lunch with Doug being brought to you by Jim's Roadhouse at 705 North Osage in fabulous Nevada, Missouri, and Nana Marie's at 121 and a half North Main Street, right next to Andy's Barbershop on the Nevada Square. We'll be back in just a minute with a great episode about what's happening this weekend at Jim's Roadhouse.
Are you ready for your time? Be a superhero tonight. Jim's Roadhouse, where the superhero of laughter hangs. Open daily on North Osage Boulevard in fabulous Nevada, Missouri. Drink responsible, designated driver.
The downtown is open late at Vape Apothecary, a casual hangout with a great atmosphere to get the latest on the vaping trend. FDA now says vaping is a safer alternative to smoking cigarettes. So come try the 20-cent testers for experienced and first-time customers. 80-plus flavors of vape juice in stock now at Vape Apothecary, 102 East Walnut, Nevada, Missouri. Open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and 10 a.m. till 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday. Closed on Sunday. Vape Apothecary, the largest selection and best prices of premium vape juice. Visit today. Must be 18 to purchase vape products, and no one under 18 allowed in the Vapor Lounge. Vape Apothecary, 102 East Walnut, Nevada, Missouri.
Nana Marie's Gift Shop, a little of this and a little of that, located at 121 and a half North Main Street, next to Andy's Barbershop on the square in fabulous Nevada, Missouri. Hey everybody, welcome back to another great episode of Lunch with Doug. I am your host, Dangerous Doug Harper. It is episode number 225. We've been around a bit, celebrating 3 years just a few months ago. Lunch with Doug is here to stay, and thank you once again for taking your lunchtime and spending with us. Now, of course, today, obviously it's not actually lunchtime. That's just a clever name, but we try to get them out at lunchtime episodes. But with our new schedule, our new season 9 and 10 schedule, things are going to be popping around, hopefully just to come whenever you're there. We're going to be paying attention to when you're watching, and we're going to come when you're watching. So right now you should all be tuned in because you are online and ready to receive some awesome news. So today is Happy Friday, so happy Friday to you. Have a great weekend here ahead of the 4th of July. Coming up next week, lots of stuff on the way, rolling up. Music on the Square will be rolling out. We are having Music on the Square next week, so we'll tell you more about that in the upcoming episode 226, which will air on Monday. So be sure to check that out at 11:45. So it'll be right there at noontime on Monday. And we will unveil to you, if you haven't already went to the website, Music on Square. You may already know, but we'll actually tell you about the performer. But all that aside, today's episode, we are going to be focusing on Jim's Roadhouse, which is a great little venue, music venue in Nevada, Missouri. Tomorrow, the 29th, so it'll be June 29th, 2019, Barnstormers will be playing the Jim's Roadhouse stage tomorrow night. So it's a live band tomorrow night, and they do have a DJ as well that plays before and in between the band breaks and after the band gets done. If there's time left at the end of the night, there will be DJ music up to the end of the night. It's a $5 cover charge, which covers basically, that helps get the bands there. Doesn't always pay for the bands, but gets the bands there. So keeping live music alive. They do bands down there about once a month at Jim's Roadhouse, and like I said, they got a great little stage area, nice dance floor area, and lots of great staff and lots of neat things about the place. I believe they have 3 pool tables, maybe only 2. I counted wrong. 2. I think there's 2 pool tables. They have a back deck, a nice deck, and like I said, they have a dance floor area. There's seats down on the dance floor area too, a dance floor, and then they're seating up in the main entrance area. Just a cool little place. So cool vibe. Great band tomorrow night. Barnstormers. That's BJ Pruitt from over in the Kansas area. Near Fort Scott. I'm not sure what little town there he is from, but anyway, it's near around the Fort Scott area there. And of course, the band carries local Nevadian on guitar, David Byerly. He is the guitar player. So great. They're kind of a country red dirt twist band, do a few classic rock tunes, and just a good time all in all. So if you're into music and you're 21 plus, of course, looking for some nightlife entertainment, Jim's Roadhouse is the place to be. Now if you're an aspiring singer, and of course you can go down and you can do karaoke every Wednesday night. They have karaoke with Jason, and he does some DJing and some KJing, as they call it. He's the DJ down there, so they have a lot of fun on Wednesday nights. So that goes on. Jim's Roadhouse, a couple other things about Jim's Roadhouse. They are home to the $1 Jello shot, and their claim to fame is they're the best Jello shots in the nation. Also, they have $5 signature drinks, which are a regular thing, that they have something different for everybody's taste palette, and a lot of fun. So occasionally they also have, it's not a regular thing, but they do on occasion do some Delaney Winery stuff. So Delaney Wine, for special events there, they'll have some Delaney wine, partaking of some local wine, which is really cool that they try to support the local thing, local music, local wine, local, everything. They've had some fun stuff out there, some comedians and different little events. So it's just a neat little place at 705 North Osage in fabulous Nevada, Missouri. So if you're looking for something to do on the nightlife scene, Barnstormers is where it's at tomorrow night, June 29th, 2019. They kick off about 9 o'clock, and then they play until basically almost close. Now, if you are like I said, it's $5 cover to get in, and you must have your valid ID, picture ID with you. It doesn't have to be a driver's license, but it has to be a valid picture ID that shows your date of birth and everything. That's a state law now. Well, it has been for a time, but they're like you to have that on you. You need to have that with you when you go to get in. They will check that, and you'll need to have that on your person. So that's how it works. Jim's Roadhouse is where it's at this weekend, and that's what I have to say today here on Lunch with Doug. So lots of stuff coming up. Like I said, tune in again Monday. We'll be back with our 226th episode on Monday, and we'll be talking about the 4th of July music on the square coming up, and some other stuff maybe as well. And so we'll see you then. We'll see you in 3 days here on Lunch with Doug. And again, thanks for spending your lunchtime, even though today's episode is not a lunchtime, but thank you for spending your future lunchtimes with me. Be sure to check out our other episodes, and of course, you can easily connect with us at www.lunchwithdoug.com. Of course, find us on Facebook, and we have our YouTube page. So there you go. We're a lot of different places, and a lot of different times, and a lot of different fun. So see you then at one of those great places, or out on the scene in the area. I'm Dangerous Doug Harper, and I appreciate you, and we'll see you again